place for lunch.
Yeah.
Oh, I always did love the view from this terrace.
Oh, I know. Great. And the one in blue had gorgeous hair.
Yeah, I agree.
Yes.
Yeah, I love your new twins. When did you decide to go natural?
Well, I've been thinking about going natural for a long time now, and my hair and scalp never did take too well on those harsh chemicals I've used on my hair. Okay, so I began growing my hair out about 3 months ago, and I just had it retwisted.
It looks so lovely and healthy.
Thank you, ladies. Let me be honest. I thought it might be a problem maintaining my natural hair. Y'all know I have too much going on in my busy career to be worried about a hairstyle. I mean, come on. So my stylist recommended a product called Jamaican Mango and Lime.
I love those products. They smell great.
And y'all know what? I heard that they were based on a natural formula of plant and fruit extract, which helps to soften and nourish the hair.
They're also one of the only lines on the market today with just about everything you need to start and maintain healthy locks and twists.
That's right.
So was it easier for you to make the transition from chemical to natural?
Oh, girl. It was more than easy for me. It was freeing. And y'all know how I like to change up my look.
Yes, you change your look more than you change your mind. You know she does that. And you know you do that.
I know. But you know, when my hair became damaged and my scalp started to suffer, I had a huge problem on my hands. I started using products from Jamaican Mango and Lime just to return my hair to its healthy state.
I remember that.
I remember that too. You know what? They have several products for styling, so you know I was thrilled. I use them every time I do my hair. They give me the same style and versatility I've always had.
You know what else y'all need to check out? You need to check out Jamaican Mango and Lime Caribbean colors. Because when I wanted to add a little color to my hair, my stylist, she recommended them because they're gentle, semi-permanent, designed specifically for natural hair type. You know what? I see so many women nowadays going natural.
This is true.
So many cute styles and so many options to choose from. But I always thought if I went natural, you know, my hairstyles would be limited.
Nonsense.
Not at all.
I mean, going natural is a major transition. I mean, especially if you got chemical process in your hair. But as I can tell you, and so many of us, there is a freedom of going natural that's good for the spirit as well as the health of your hair.
When you allow your hair to return to its true organic state, that's when you will discover your true beauty.
Oh yeah, you know, girls, we define what's beautiful, and there are no other concepts that can define us. Hey, ladies, I think that's pretty limitless.
You're absolutely right. And with products from Jamaican Mango and Lime, we will always look our best.
Yes, I think cheers to that.